A very warm welcome to all of you. How are you all? I am Rupal ma'am and I once again welcome you to our English class. So children, what did we learn yesterday? Yes, we revised alphabet M and alphabet N and curves. So we will do a quick recap of the same. This is alphabet M. Capital M, small m, Mama M, baby M. The sound of alphabet M is M. M for mirror. M for monkey. M for marigold. M for mango. Let's sing a jolly phonic song for alphabet M.
And the dad make many meals. The mum and the dad make many meals for their hungry children.
The mum and the dad makes many meals. The mum and the dad makes many meals for their hungry children. This is alphabet N. Capital N, small n, Mama N, baby N. The sound of alphabet N is N for newspaper, N for nest, N for noodles, N for nail cutter. Jollyphonic song for alphabet N. Hear the aeroplane, hear the aeroplane, hear the aeroplane, making lots of noise. Hear the aeroplane, hear the aeroplane, hear the aeroplane, making lots of noise. Now, let us do an activity. Here, I have drawn a C curve. We will need a crayon, some Fevicol and some paper balls. Now we will trace the C curve. Start from the top to the bottom, slightly round on the left side and stop. This is a C curve. Now we will take these paper balls one by one, dip it in the Fevicol and stick on the C curve. धीरे धीरे एक एक करके हमें ये पेपर बॉल फेविकॉल में डिप करके सी कर्व बनाना है. कौन सा कलर है पेपर बॉल्स का बच्चों? यस, रेड कलर. वेरी गुड. देखो धीरे धीरे हमारा सी कर्व तैयार होता जा रहा है. So, this is a C curve or you can call it a left curve. देखो हमारा C curve तैयार है. So children, I have drawn some small dots to make the reverse C curve. I will trace with the crayon and make the reverse C curve. And here I have some purple paper balls and some Fevicol. Take the paper balls one by one, dip it in the Fevicol and stick it on the reverse C curve. Slowly, one by one, take the ball and stick on the reverse C curve line. Very good. See, our reverse C curve or the right curve is ready. Let us see the solution of the worksheets. This is the first worksheet. This worksheet is of the C curve. In this worksheet, you had to trace the pattern and color the picture. See children, I have colored my worksheet with all bright colors. I hope you all have done it nicely. This is the second worksheet. This worksheet is of the reverse C curve. In this worksheet, you had to trace the pattern and color the picture. Here, I have colored my fish with orange color. I hope you all have colored it with your favorite color. Okay children, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Bye bye. See you.